Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I'm going to show you a little bit of Happy Mail that I got today. Well, quite a bit of Happy Mail I got today. Today and yesterday. This, let's see who this is from. I can't remember. I read it, but, oh, thank you so much, Diane. This is from Diane. It says, one of your fans, thank you. Made with junk mail and bits and pieces. I even recycle the mailer. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, so that's this little book she's talking about, I think. Oh, look at that. Cute. Oh my goodness, look at this little fold in here. How cute is that? And then there's some pages. Here is a little tag in there. That is so sweet. I love this, how you did that. Very, very pretty. You know what? I'll probably include this in my February journal. It's got blue in it, so I think I'll include that in that journal if that's okay with you. I like to add things that you guys send me when I can, when they're not too big. And of course, I'm still working on the books from last year from our challenge. Oh my goodness, I've got 4 finished so far, and I've still got lots to go. Okay, this is from this is from Jackie. Oh, thank you so much, Jackie. That's so sweet. I suspect you are a Christian and reflect Jesus through your words. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. All right, now I have looked in here. This was not like this when she sent it to me. I looked in here because I was so anxious to see how she did this. This is a file folder, and she has made it into a mailer. Now I'm gonna take your address off right here before I accidentally show it on camera. Okay, but she has made that into, you know, a mail or something to hold some goodies. So that's ingenious. I'll probably reuse that. You know me. Thank you so much. Enjoy what? Yes, enjoy what I send you. You know I will. Oh, thank you. She doesn't have a printer. I will try my best to. Okay. All right. That. Let's see. I want to say, hang on, I may have had something mixed up here. Okay, this is from Jackie. And let's see what Jackie sent us. Oh, books, but look at this first. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I haven't had any like that. That color, I love that. That is beautiful. I will definitely use it, but part of it's going in my hoard vault. Thank you so much. Let's see. She sent me some books. Look at these. Oh my goodness. These are tons of books. Wow. Heal thyself through cooking. Well, I don't cook, but my husband might like that. Beautiful. Thank you so much. We can use these. I will definitely use those. And I'm going to slide them right back down in this little folder here. This is a good storage. Oops. There we go. They fit right in there perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. We got this today from, let me make sure her address is covered up. It is. Okay. I got this today from, who did I get this from? I thought I cut out her address. But instead of cutting out her address, I cut something else out. Okay, let me look and see if there's a note in here. If there is, it'll probably have her name on it. There is a note, hopefully. No, that's not a note. That's just a piece of paper in there. Okay, hold on. Let me grab the bag. Did that come in? Okay, this is from Cindy. Cindy. I cut out the wrong thing, Cindy. Sorry about that. Oh, look. Oh, look at that. That is tiny little ones. Oh, my goodness. I don't see any like that anywhere. I love those. And the top is more like a little... It's not sunk down in. It's more of a bevel. I like that. Pretty. So I got some of that, some white, some black, and that's got the bevel top too. Black and silver. And then some, I don't know, fuchsia maybe? Ooh, more of my fave. Teal, my second fave. Oh, and look at that. I don't have any like that either. That's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let's see if I can get to... Oh, and there's another little piece down in there, too, of what I use all the time. Love that. Thank you. I think that's what I use. Let me grab it out and look at it. No, it's not. Look at that. It is actually on little strings. Wow, that is cute. I will be using some of that very shortly. And then a whole bag of... the ribbon and small ribbon. I guess she heard me say so many times, I don't have any small ribbon. Look at that. A ton of them. Thank you. And then, what is this? This is, I don't know, but that'll be pretty tied around like a little notebook or something, won't it? Ooh, I will use all of that. Thank you so much. It's all colors. And then this, let's see what this is. Oh, lace, black lace. I know she heard me say that I can't find black lace. Oh, I have some now. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Would that not look beautiful on a journal? And that, oh my goodness. Some rickrack in black. Ooh, look at that. That's interesting. I've not seen that before either. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. You sent me so much. Look at that. Look at those flowers. It's hard for me to find black trim, black lace. Look at that. I love that. That's gorgeous. I will definitely have to use some of this in my journals. Ooh, this is pretty too. Look at that. Thank you so much. That is so appreciated. I'm going to put it back in here for right now, and I will put it on a card and fold them up so they'll be nice and neat. Okay, oops, have I been showing her? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I started to say I've been showing her dress all along. I am going to try to peel her dress off. This is from Paula. Let me see if I can't get it peeled off, I'll just cover it. Let me just cover it with something. I think I have some washi right here somewhere. I'll just put some washi over it. I don't mind if mine shows, but I don't want to give anybody else's address away. There we go. So this is from Paula. I love this. God bless America. Yes, ma'am. Oh, and I want to tell you a story about this, Paula. Evidently, this piece had worked its way out when, through the mail. So the post lady brought it. This piece was in her hand, and she said, I think this piece of trim actually belonged in that box, but somehow it got out. And so she brought that like that. It was kind of funny, but it didn't harm it at all. It doesn't even have any dirt or anything on it. And it went all the way through the mail like that. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness, she sent me a ton of lace and trims. pretty. I don't have any yellow like that. That's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, and I love the little eyelet trim. That's so pretty. And red. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, look at these. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Looks like it come around from somebody's collar. Pretty, pretty. The tans and beige. That blue, we'll use that in our February journal. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh my goodness, girl. You sent me a ton. Look at that. These are so pretty. I will definitely be using these. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness, look at that one. I've not seen that color exactly before either. That is so pretty. Look at that. Let's see if I can lay it on my hand. Pretty, thank you. Ooh. These feel so good. They feel so soft. Oh, and deep green. We'll have to use some of that too. Ooh. And this, that looks very vintage. I love that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Thank you so much. And what is this? More in the bottom? Okay. Take this out. I don't think it's what is in here. Oh my goodness, they are doilies, but they're shiny on one side. Look at that. That is so sweet. Thank you. This is what the bag actually had in it before. I thought, man, she sent me some heel grips. This is great. Those are beautiful. Thank you. I'll be using those. You know I will. And what is... Oh, I have wanted one of these. And you know, this company, I have contacted them 2 or 3 times to see if I could purchase wholesale from them, and they won't contact me back. So I don't know why they won't contact me back. It's Mente. I'll get it right in a minute. Mente. But I have contacted them more than once, and I can't get them to respond. But I would love to carry their paper. If anybody knows a way that I can get in touch with them, that where I could carry their papers and things, I'd love to. Look at this. Cutouts. All kinds of things. I would love to carry their collections. But, like I said, they won't contact me back. They won't respond, so I don't know. I don't know if they're just select. I know that there's somebody else in Alabama that carries it. But, I think, you know, maybe they're just selling to a selective few. Ooh, look at this. And that is vellum. Oh, my goodness. Am I going to have some fun with that? Thank you so much. And then this piece was in there. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, those are so cute. Look how she did those. Those are little clusters. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Little clusters. And there's a little cluster. This one. Isn't that cute? And then just a little piece of cardstock. And there's another little cluster. And a cluster. And then a little angel. Isn't that cute? I'll hang that right up here. As a matter of fact, I'm going to hang it right now. I always need an angel watching over me. There we go. It's hanging right there. And I love that blue too. Alright, this is her note. I saw these on Gia Kerr's channel and thought they were so cute. I made mine out of tissue boxes that I have stand. Oh my goodness. She made that angel. Oh my word. She said she made 63 of them. Yes, they are. They're going to be fantastic in journals. You did a fantastic job decorating them. I don't see any problem with that at all. Any problem at all. Those are gorgeous. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And all of this good stuff here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Piles and piles of it. Alright, I think that is all that I got in the mail so far. I do believe. Yeah, I don't see anything else. So I just wanted to show what everybody had sent me, and I want you to know that I really, really appreciate every piece of everything that I get. And as you can see, if you saw my January journal, I try to use as much of what you send me as possible, even the envelopes and things. I mean, even envelopes and things like this, I'll use those in the journals and things. I love using things like that, and then I can look back years from now, and I try to put the name on the inside somewhere, and I can look back years from now and see things that you guys sent me. So thank you so much. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.